In today's video, we're going to look at another principle of animation, arc, and exactly how that will improve your animation. So stay tuned. Hey guys, my name is Eon and welcome to my Start Animating YouTube channel. The channel that is specifically aimed at everyone that is new to animation, and if that is you, welcome. You are at the right place, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and also click on that little notification bell so that you can get notified every week when I upload a brand new video. And for those of you who have supported me, thank you so much. If you want to join or help support this channel, I do now have a YouTube membership, so feel free to join. There's some exclusive video content there, and I will also do some live streaming with you guys in the future. So in the description there's a link, just click there and see all the different tiers and benefits that you'll get. So I hope to see you inside. But today we're going to look at another principle of animation, arc, and exactly how that will improve your animation, like I'm doing in this whole series so far. So basically what I've done here is I've got two characters. Let me just hide the one for now, and I've already done a short animation on this character. So basically he's just from the one side looking that side, okay, but it is very linear, and that is something you want to avoid in animation. You want to avoid linear movement. So what you want to add is arcs, or like a circular movement with everything that moves. Because for example, let me if you walk, or when you walk and you swing your arms are swinging in an arc motion. It moves like that, okay? So if your arms is going to move like that, it's going to be unnatural. So when you add arcs to your animation, it really adds some realism to your movement, and that is what you want, okay? So again, if we have a look, it is just a linear movement, okay? But let's add some arc movement to it, okay? So let's hide this one and let's just bring back this one. So I did the exact same animation, and so what we're gonna do is we're gonna add that arc, okay? So let's go to the center, okay, right there, and let's select him, and let's select that's the wrong one. Okay, so let's bring his upper body down a little bit. Let's select his neck as well. Let's delete that, and we copy and paste his neck so that the end movement is the same, and let's drop his neck in as well. Okay, so what will happen is his upper body and neck will start here, it will go down and then it go up, so you will have that little arc movement. So if there you can see already it makes a little bit of a difference, okay? So what we can also do now is we can let his head move, not like this, but in an arc as well. Okay, so let's do that. So let's click there, and then in the center point there, we can make his head down, and when he's there, so now his head will also move in an arc. And that already looks a lot better. So there's a lot of things now you can add to your animation to just make it so much better. So for example, you can now animate his arms so that his arms move along. You can also let's add something quickly which will not be arc, but it will be squash and stretch, which really is one of the principles of animation as well. So let's just right arm, copy, paste, and let's just delete that one, and let's just do his left arm as well, copy, paste, remove that, and then in the center we can now lift to add a little bit of squash and stretch. So if you press play now, it just adds so much more to your characters. So let's compare the two quickly. So let's bring that first one back. And if we're going to compare the two, you can see the second one just looks so much better. And then obviously let's just bring this upper body, let's drop it even more, just to make it a bit more squash and stretch. That looks so much better. So now you can see his upper body moves in an arc, his head moves in an arc, and it looks a lot more realistic. It looks as if there's more life to this animation, and that is obviously exactly what you want. So guys, that is why you should always incorporate arcs into your animation. It really adds realism to your movement and your characters. It just looks like there's more life in them when you add some arcs to your animations. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to click on that thumbs up. It really helps the YouTube algorithms, and that way you can support the channel as well. Feel free to click on that subscribe button, and also you are welcome to join my YouTube membership for some exclusive videos, interviews, live streams, etc. So guys, I will see you guys next week with another video. So from me, God bless and happy animating.